Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce an app. It's called Pora Live and Video Call. So basically this is social dating and casual application. It's really amazing, like you can use. So you can see the name of the app, Pora Live and Video Call. You can download it from Google Play Store and App Store. So it's really simple. So you can see the rating of the app 4.6 out of 5, 30k reviews, 88 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million, like 10 lakh plus people already use this app or download this app. It means 1 million plus already download this app. Like if we see the main feature, then you can see there is some one-on-one live chat. So you can start live chat with a stranger. If you feel bored and lonely, then you can use this application. Pick up your favorite one. So there are a lot of models and actors and actress here. Like if you choose anyone, then you can start talking with them, but there is a one condition: you have to buy the coin first, otherwise it's not possible, because this app is not free. Active real user, all the users here are real, so you can talk with them. And direct message, if you like someone or if you like someone as a friend, then you can start a message. And also you can start video call, real user, direct message. So there are a lot of facilities available in this application. If you want to learn more about this app, then go here and you can see here like free chat, funny filters, assured privacy, chat history. And the app is released 2021. And if you want to know the reviews and ratings, then come here this section and tap here. You will get here some positive reviews. You can see there are a couple of positive reviews, and also there are some negative reviews. You can read before installing this app. I'll create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. Okay friend, today's no and see you in the next video.